Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to talk about this Orange Rocket Barberry from the Southern Living Plant Collection. Look at the foliage on this thing. It is really incredible. It has, the new foliage is kind of a coral color and it fades to a red or reddish purple, and the interior of the plant is kind of a lime green. A lot of stuff going on in this plant. It is an upright, narrow form of barberry. It can end up 4 feet tall, but only about 1.5 feet wide. It's a lot of uses for this plant. Super cold hardy. It'll grow in zone 5 to zone 9. I'm going to use it in this container right here, and it looks great with this sunshine ligustrum, and it can stay in here permanently if I wanted to, because I'm in zone 7, so a zone 5 plant would be perfect to leave in this container. In the fall, I think I'm going to pop it out and put it in the ground. I think I'm going to do a mass planting of these with sunshine ligustrum, because I got the idea off the label on the front. Very smart marketing here to put those two things together on the actual tag. They're beautiful, that yellow and that coral color foliage, really nice together. I've gotten these in several times at the garden center already, and they disappear almost immediately because you can actually see them driving by on the top of the rack. It's one of the brightest things I've got, one of the showiest things I've got at the garden center. This is a super industrial plant. Really not a lot of pest problems. Very drought tolerant. Once a barberry gets established, you rarely have to give them any ongoing watering if you're in an area that gets regular rainfall. But I'm going to pop it into this container and then we'll take a look at it. Here it is in the container, that sunshine ligustrum and that sky pencil holly that's in this container. They look great together. This is definitely a sun-loving plant. The more sun you give it, the more color you're going to get. It can go into part shade, but you want at least 6 hours of direct sun on this plant to keep this really dark, rich foliage color. But you can see just how beautiful that plant actually is. If you're planting them in the ground, you could definitely fertilize them once a year in the spring with a slow release fertilizer. That's what I do on most things that I have in this container. I have already fertilized it with a slow release fertilizer to last about 3 months. In the fall, I'm going to be putting it in the ground. If it needs any pruning on it, you can kind of do it any time. I would think about doing it right before it wakes up in the spring so that you don't have to cut any of this new showy foliage off later in the spring or summer. So just kind of neaten it up a little bit. So like I say, if you're looking for something showy that's super low maintenance, this Orange Rocket Barberry from the Southern Living Plant Collection is a great choice for that. I had some wrens nesting in this container in another video. I don't know if any of you saw that. The wrens have flown away, and so they're no longer a threat from this puppy right here. And she can come back down the steps, although she investigates it every time she walks down. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos.